Welcome to Vignan CS. At Vignan CS, we are launching video classes for CS Executive Program. Yes, as you already know, Vignan CS has done very well in the classroom environment where the physical classroom training has been top-notch and the students of Vignan CS have got national ranks for CS Executive. To continue this mission of getting national ranks, we are launching the CS Executive video classes. Now, the video classes will be exclusive for CS Executive and will make you prepare in such a way that you're going to get a rank. The focus on the video classes will be the primary things like concepts and principles of law. When you get the concepts and principles, everything in the subject becomes very easy. In CS Executive Program, there are 8 subjects. You might have come to CS Executive Program either in the old scheme where you're already past degree and you're an existing student, or you might have passed CS EET and come to CS Executive. No matter how you came to CS Executive, you have to pass 8 subjects. And in the module 1, you are having 3 law subjects and 1 subject which is the taxation subject. So the first subject is jurisprudence, interpretation and general laws. The second subject is company law. The third subject is setting up of business entities and closure. And the fourth subject is the tax laws, which has GST and the direct tax. Then in module 2, we have economic, business, commercial laws. Then we have securities laws. And then the final subject is financial management and the strategic management. So please remember, in CS Executive, out of 8 subjects, 5 subjects are theory papers or written exams and 3 papers which is tax laws, financial management and corporate and management accounting are MCQ based exams. So we will be training you from Vignan CS Executive video classes to do very well in CS Executive Module 1 and Module 2. I really invite you to come and join us because all the faculty here are company secretaries and practicing, and they're having the real life experience and not just giving you theoretical knowledge. The video classes will be giving you a blend of theory and more about practical aspects, because as you know, in the exam now in CS Institute, they are asking the practical oriented questions. So a teacher who is a company secretary who is going to teach you the practical subjects will make you understand the subject very well. For instance, my name is Alok, I'm a practicing company secretary and I will be teaching you all the law subjects. So this way you are going to get a fine understanding of all the intricacies of law and how to answer the question paper in the exam. And the best part is, even in the online video classes, you will be getting mock exam, mock test and all the other preparation to make sure you do well. As you are already aware, Vignan CS gives regular exams in the physical classroom coaching. But now, even in the online mode, you will be getting regular test, regular mock test and exam to make you very well prepared for the final exam of CS Executive. And the best part is, the video classes is going to be exclusively for you, where you're going to able to watch the videos multiple times. If you have a classroom environment, you may have it one time. But if you want to watch the same lecture again, sometimes you may have to watch 2 times to understand the same concept. So in the video classes, you get this major advantage. You will be understanding all the concepts very easily. The greatest advantage of the CS Executive video classes is that you can study from the comfort of your home, but also get the experience of a classroom. Yes, that is because we will also be having live sessions at a regular intervals. So at regular intervals, you'll have live sessions where after you watch the video classes, where you have any doubts, the teacher will be there live and you can ask the questions. This way you will be understanding all the concepts in a very easy manner, and you can be well prepared for the live sessions by asking your questions in advance, so that teacher will give you the perfect answer on the day of the live session. Vignan CS has been able to get national ranks mainly because of the hard work of the students and also the teachers. It is not just teachers or only the students. So teachers and students together have done this effort, and in the physical classroom coaching, the ranks have been national ranks for the students of Vignan CS. Now to continue this endeavor, we are having the online video classes where you will be getting the mentoring and the hand holding till the day of the exam. It is not just a video class where you get some recording and you have to watch and then be dependent on that recording. No. Apart from the recording, many other people may do that, but we are going to give you recordings, along with the recording live sessions, then mock exam, then mock test, then MCQs, then wherever required the notes will be provided, and end of the day you will be confident to face the exam where you get a complete all-round preparation for the CS executive subjects. And the best part is the coaching is available for all the 8 subjects of CS Executive Module 1 and Module 2. The best thing for you to do would be to join Vignan CS for the CS Executive video classes and excel in the CS Executive exams and make sure that you get a rank. You may be thinking, sir, is it so easy to get a rank? Of course it is possible, because we will be supporting you, we will help you and make sure that you get a rank. And that way you will be in the CS Professional, and of course we'll again help you in CS Professional, but before that make sure that you pass CS Executive. So don't waste any more time. You're getting all the advantages in the video classes. You're going to be studying at the comfort of your home, but getting the experience of a physical class. You will be getting the pressure and the follow-up from our side to make sure that you study and do well in the exam. Please join Vignan CS Executive video classes and excel in the CS Executive exams, thereby becoming a company secretary, which is having a huge opportunity now. Don't waste time. Register now. All the details are below. Make sure you join Vignan CS Executive video classes. All the best for your exams.